Okay, today is July 2nd, 2018, and right now at 9:30 a.m. we have a temperature of 71 degrees here in the foothills of Los Angeles. The relative humidity is 57%, the dew point is 56 degrees, and the barometer is up at 29.98 inches. And right now we're looking at the Northeast Pacific water vapor loop. This is Hurricane Fabio. This formed overnight. Category 1 hurricane with 75 mile per hour winds. Central pressure of 989 millibar. This is moving to the west-northwest at about 9 miles per hour. Also, we can see a strange high pressure installation right in this area. We see a straight edge right along here. If we take a look at the infrared map, we can see that straight edge right along here. This is not natural. That's a man-made feature. There's a transmitter right in this area focusing RF or laser energy into this area, and that's preventing the northbound movement of this storm. In the meantime, we have the remnants of Emilia right here, which is drifting north towards Southern California. So we're told now that we're expecting a heat wave by this coming weekend, and it is possible that some of this moisture could drift over towards Southern California or Central California, in which case we would expect to see the jets, the specially equipped jets, spraying the aerosols to prevent any chance of precipitation. The chemical chemtrail aerosols cap the atmosphere and prevent the lift necessary for the precipitation process. So that is a possibility. What we're seeing here, we have a lot of residual moisture from this former tropical storm Emilia right here. And if we look at this in some of the other maps, we can see that this system is still being superheated. This is Emilia right here. We can see a straight edge in this area, sort of a right angle, a rectangle shape right there. And then this is Fabio right here. This is a pretty large storm. This is only a category 1, but it's a very big storm. And if we take a look at some of these other maps, we can see that we've got a blast pattern right here. Let's go back to the water vapor map. We can see a blast pattern, rapidly expanding water vapor shooting out here to the west. And we'll take a look at the next map here. This is the infrared map. You can see some pressure waves moving out. This area has been superheated. This has been targeted either with laser or microwave, and that is causing this rapidly expanding water vapor and the blast pattern that we're seeing there. In the visible light map, we can see some interesting detail. As we transition from night to day, we can see that here's an area right here where it's been targeted, the center of that storm. Now look at this little ring right here. Watch this expand. Here's the next frame. We see that ring is much bigger. This is the pressure wave that's generated by the superheating process. We also see a couple of other rings right here from previous targeting, which are moving out. Right here we can see those moving away from the center of that storm, that hurricane. Also up here we can see some manipulation on that former tropical storm Emilia. So we see the manipulation here. Okay, we see the okay, that map is frozen. Okay, so these have stopped. So that's the update. Basically, that's it. We have a heat wave for Southern California next for this next weekend. See that straight edge right here. Okay, that's it. We'll do another update here real soon. That's it.